know the Sunnah of Drinking Water?
No.
Okay, let me show you. The first step is to sit down. It's fine if you sit on the floor as well, but it's better sitting on a chair. Next step is to look at the water to check if it's clean or not. You aren't supposed to hold the glass in the left hand, you're supposed to hold it in the right hand. Okay? Because that's one of the steps in the Sunnah. Before we start drinking, we have to say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim just right before we eat. Make sure to take 3 sips and don't breathe in and out onto the water, okay? And I hope it will be very easy for you to follow the steps. And I hope you will always do the steps when drinking water. Good, great job! You followed the Sunnah for drinking water. Now you will get more rewards in the